Alright, so today we traded Nasdaq, and I actually took two trades. Um, so let's get started. My first trade, so I know my chart is a mess, bro. Oh my goodness, what is this chart? So, we took some kind of liquidity right there. Let me see. Alright, so I guess I took this liquidity as the main reason that we changed direction. Alright, so ninth, no, okay, this is the end of the macro time. Let's, alright. So, starting, we had these lows, these lows, these lows, these lows, these lows, these lows. So many low resistance sell side liquidity. This low, this low. I thought so that we would end up on the market open going up and taking some kind of liquidity. Maybe this, maybe that, or maybe this one. But we actually took out only that one. Went up, first presented fair value gap right here. Rejected off of that, went up once again. So took this final liquidity, right? Then came down, inversed for the first time this gap. So I was waiting for some more confirmation because from the start of the day I was hoping that we'll get some confirmation to the downside, because the last 5 days we've been sorting from market open and making hella case. So I was thinking that we maybe could come down and sweep these lows, because we've been overextending for the last week. So yeah, calm down, invest this fair value gap, invest fair value gap, waited for some more confirmation, had this extra support. I mean, I could enter here, but I was waiting for some more. Okay, rejection of that fair value gap, waited for some more. I could have, this would be the perfect entry, but I entered a little bit after right here. So I wish I could move my stop loss to that place. I would if I could, but I knew that I couldn't already. The stop loss right here was because I have the lowest account. I have the 25k one already. This was 1.5% of my account, so I usually risk 0.5 to 1%, but already this stop loss was 1.5% of my account. If I would move it right here, I would risk 3% of my account, and I can't do that on trade. I wish I could, but I really wish. And I also would take some partial profits right here, but the lowest I use 1 micro lot, and right here is 3% of my account, so I can't risk that much. So I took that. I was hoping that we would go down. Blah blah blah. Dog shit took me out. Then I was still bearish, so I was waiting. So this so we filled that fair value gap right here. I think it's a 2-minute fair value gap. Let's see. Oh, you're flying, alright. Sorry for the wait. I don't want to make long videos, bro. Sorry. What the fuck? Alright, so yes, this is a 2-minute fair value gap, which we filled right in. Then we went out of it. As we went out of it, we filled another fair value gap right here, and then close lower, and I guess even lower. Yes, we close lower after exiting from that fair value gap right here, and also that 2-minute fair value gap. We close right here. So I entered in and I used this as a stop loss. I wish I could use that, but I would be risking way too much on the day. I tried to risk as less as I could. First of all, dog shit trade, not dog shit trade, dog shit day, because, bro, at least give me a fucking 2 hour, bro. 1.5 hour. Okay, maybe I was a little bit greedy, but I wanted to make the money I lost right here back. So I targeted 2 ratio. It did not hit, and I didn't go stop out because first of all, when it went right here, I moved my stop loss to break even, and then after that, after it closed, I saw it was going really bearish, and after I saw this fair value get filled in and going lower, I was like, okay, ain't no way I'm trying to hold my trade if market goes again above or touches this high. I'm like, if it does that, if it closes above right here, or if it touches that, I wouldn't want to keep going on this trade. So I put my stop loss right here, and I targeted, I think, right there, because I was I'm too bored to explain it, but it was, if we go on the daily and we look at the previous days, and we look at the previous days, a week, and we drop that shit right out. Previous days week, we would see that it ends up being the 75%. Yeah, right about here. So no, that's equilibrium. Yeah, okay. Right about here. So that's why I targeted this place right here. It's the 75% from the Fibonacci equilibrium. No, gun box, bro. You call it what you want. Yeah, that's why I targeted it. It did not hit. Fuck. But I luckily moved my stop loss right here, because, as I said, if it were to touch that right again, I didn't want to keep going in this trade. I want to take profit. So that's what I did. I moved my stop loss right here. I kept my take profit right here. Went down, went up, took me out. So what did we learn? Don't trade while fucking Trump is changing the fucking tariffs, bro. What the fuck is Trump doing? What the fuck is Trump doing, bro? Oh, okay, fuck you. What the fuck is Trump doing? Like, can someone tell him to stop? Or what? We're trying to trade out here. Let my boy trade, bro. Alright, so yeah, I ended up losing 360 on this, and 1% of my account is 250. So I ended up losing above 1.5% of my account. But luckily I took this trade and only lost 0.5% of my account, so 125. Yeah, maybe less, I don't know. So I'm right back a little bit below 25k, so right back below the starting position. Wow, oh my god, this price is so trash, bro. And I wish I had bought a better account, because I would be profitable right here, because I would take profits here, maybe here, and hold it right there, and I would move my stop loss right there, and I will have a bigger stop loss. but I can't because my account can't handle this shit. So yeah, when I'm done with this account and if I make profit, because the fact that I have to keep my stop loss very short is frustrating as fuck. I can't take nice trades. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I don't have anything to say. Fuck Trump. Nah, joking, bro. Joking. Don't hassle me, bro. So yeah, that's about it, bro. I mean, yeah, I don't have anything else to say, bro. Be safe, y'all, and don't over risk on your accounts because yeah, dog shit price action. I wish I would trade. I wish I could keep myself from trading this a couple of days while Trump is affecting the. He's fucking. I don't know how to speak English, bro. Changing the tariffs, so I say. Yeah, but I can't, bro, because I want to make some cash. Overall, bro, if I would have the ability to move that shit over there, I would be alright. But it is what it is, man. That's why I still lost. Doesn't even matter what I would say. Yeah. Looking forward to better days. Peace out, y'all, and be safe.